from Mount Gambier Library, and we're doing our second video in our July School holidays. And this one is about lighting. Today, what you're gonna need out of your box is your 2 batteries, your battery container, your little bit of electrical wire, some scissors to cut it, and 2 wires, one being black and one being red, and your little LED light. Now, something I want you to notice about this LED light is that there's a longer one and there's a shorter one. The longer one is positive and the shorter one is your negative. Now, our positive electricity must never cross, and that's our red one, must never touch with our negative, only through each and every one of the different components of our electrical circuits. Let's first begin by putting our batteries in. Now, if you've never added batteries to something, you might not know this, but you have a positive and a negative side of a battery. There's a little spring right here. That's for the flat side, that's the negative side. You put it in there and push it, and then it clips into that side. Now, if you notice, you can also see there's also a little diagram inside there, but all you really need to know is the flat side goes to the spring, and the little pointy out bit goes to the other part. Now, that's in just right. If you get them the wrong direction, then the whole thing won't work. So what I'm going to show you is how our circuit works. So remember, the longer bit, which is this one, goes to the positive. You have to make sure it touches a positive. So we're touching our wires together, and we're touching these 2 wires together, and look what happens. It works. So we know our batteries work, we know our lights work, and the circuit is complete. This is broken circuit, this is a closed circuit. So the next part we're gonna need is our little button we made last time. And we need to cut a little bit of our electrical tape . We're gonna connect this extra wire, but we're gonna twist it together. Did you see how I do that? I took both the pieces, I twisted it, and now I'm going to fold it and close it off. Like that, leaving a little bit showing, because I'm gonna need that bit. And that is for my positive side of my light. I'm going to make sure the wires touch. As long as the wires touch, electricity will go through it. Now for our button. I'm going to need a little extra tape, 2 more pieces. My wire coming from my battery, and I put it on one side of the fold, and then on the other side of the fold I'm going to add another black wire attaching to this side of the light, twisting it and putting it on this side. Now let's test it before we tape it down. When I close my button, it turns the light on. Good, that works. So now that we know that it works, we're going to go ahead and tape it into place. So the 2 wires have to cross and touch inside the button. button works. So there we have it. Our button and our light is ready to go into our new project. So, and we have 2 extra wires coming out for next week's project, which is gonna add in a fan. See you next time.